Welcome back to Dylan Does Tutorials. This is a continuation of looking at vectors and vector functions. So there are many built-in R functions for vectors, and I'm just going to look at a couple. Last video we looked at the wins and losses of Greg Maddux' career as well as his war. To do some more analysis of this, what you can actually do is use functions to analyze vectors. So we already have this win percentage vector, but we want to know some descriptive statistics about this. So to do this, we can simply look at or use the function mean to find the mean of the win percentage. And tell me why I did it wrong? I couldn't. There we go. So lowercase mean, capitalization does matter in R, as you can see. So his mean winning percentage was 60%. His mean war was 5.12, which is pretty good. But there's other ways that you can do this. So one of them is actually you can find the mean and many other statistics by simply doing summary. So summary is a function that will output a summary of your vector. So for instance, the minimum value was 30, the first quartile was 53.86, the median was a 60% winning percentage, the mean was a 60% winning percentage, and the third quartile was 67, and the maximum winning percentage was 90. So if you're looking at the mean, you're also probably going to look at these other values too to really kind of find out what your data distribution is looking like. Now there's other functions that are useful, for instance ordering. So the sort will sort data from least to highest. So if we sort war, you can see that Greg Maddux' lowest war was a 0.3 and his highest was an 8.2. Another interesting or useful command or function would be the cumulative sum. So really when you're looking at a progression through a career, you can use this cumulative sum function to say look at his total war through any year of his career. So look at the cumulative sum war, and you can see that in his first year at a 0.3, cumulative war through his first 2 years was 1.7, through first 3 was 5.4, and so on and so on, and through 20 years he had 117 wins above replacement. So functions are actually very powerful, and I mean you'll use them all the time in R. These are just a couple. If you really want to know about all of them, you should simply just read. There's a great help tool here, and it shows you many functions that you can use. Thanks for watching, and following for the next one we'll be looking at indexes.